is it okay to shoot a pre-wedding video in 720p? The reason for 720p is I have the Nikon D52000, which can't shoot 1080p 60 FPS. Alright, let me tell you something about wedding videos. You need that slow-mo, alright? Everyone, you can't shoot a wedding video or anything wedding related without any type of slow-mo.
Epic slow-mo shot.
Like, a wedding video is basically a classy music video, but with sentiment. Alright, so,
that's a good way of putting it.
720p is very outdated. 1080p is now the new standard. 4K is now the new HD. So if you can't shoot 1080p, I suggest investing in another camera or renting one for that day. You can find some really good rates for renting cameras that are capable of 1080p, 60 FPS. If for a day, like day rates are like not that bad. You can look at like something like if you're in LA or like the Culver City area, there's some place like Sammy's Camera. They do rentals, or you look up on Google camera rentals. Just don't use that camera. It's not professional. No one's gonna want a deliverable. I'm gonna be mean. No one's gonna want a deliverable in 720p. Like, everyone's eyes have adjusted to 1080p.
Yes, true. Very true.
And everyone, like even the general public, is gonna know the difference, because even our televisions are in 1080p now. Everyone's on screens that can use 1080p, and everyone's gonna see it's 720p, and they're gonna be like, "That's shit." I'm just telling you. I love you,
right.
But don't do it.
Being honest.
It's not okay. It's not okay.
So there's your answer.